Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I am going to show you the structure and its function of each component of the root. The first one is endodermis. Endodermis, which is in blue color. The function of endodermis is helps regulate the movement of water, ions and hormones into and out of the vascular system. Epidermis. Epidermis is in purple color. It provides a protective barrier against mechanical injury, water loss, and infection. Cortex, which is in yellow color. It is responsible for the transportation of material into the central cylinder of the root through diffusion, and may also be used for food storage in the form of starch. Still, which is in pink color, is used for transport of water, nutrients, and photosynthesis product. This is lateral root caps, which is in the dark color. It is used for protect the growing tips in plants. It is also is to enable downward growth of the root. And this is columella. Columella is in grey color, so the function is to allow for nutrient exchange between the active protoplasm below and the developing spores inside the upper part of the sporangial head. This is Christian center, which is the small one and its grey color. It is resuming material meristematic activity when the tissue surrounding them is damaged. So this is the structure and component of primary stem. The first one is xylem, pitch, phloem, and sclerenchyma. The function of xylem is for water transportation from the root to the other part of plants. This is pitch. Pitch is the center of the cell. The function of pitch is to transport nutrient throughout the plants and then store the nutrient within its cell. This is phloem. Phloem is in small one between the xylem and sclerenchyma. The function of phloem is to transport food from leaves to other part of plants. So the last one is sclerenchyma, which is in pink color. The function of sclerenchyma is providing structural support in plants. So this is the structure and each component of secondary stem, which is, as we can see, there is secondary phloem, primary phloem, pitch, Cambium, epidermis, cortex, primary phloem, and secondary phloem. Secondary xylem is used as a major tissue for transport water from in the woody plants. This is primary xylem. It is used for the water transportation from root to other part of plants. This is pitch, which is in the center of the cell. It is used to transport nutrient throughout the plants and then store the nutrient within its cell. This is called cambium, which is the thick layer, which is in green color. It is used to produce new bark and new wood in responsive to hormones that pass down through the phloem with food from the leaf. This is epidermis. Epidermis is the outermost layer of the secondary stem, which is in dark color. It is used to provide a protective barrier against mechanical injury, water loss, and infection. This is cortex. Cortex, which is in green color. It is responsible for the transportation of material into the central cylinder of the root through diffusion and may also be used for food storage in the form of starch. This is primary phloem, which is in pink color. It is used for food transportation from leaf to other part of plants. And the last one is secondary phloem. Secondary phloem, which is in blue rings color. It is used for transport nutrient throughout the tree and woody plants. So this is the 3D model of primary stem and secondary stem. This is primary stem. It consists of pitch, xylem, phloem, and sclerenchyma. while this is secondary stem, which is consist of primary stem, pitch, secondary phloem, primary phloem, cortex. As we can see, this is the structure of the leaf and each component of the leaf. This is the waxy cuticle, which is in red color. It is used for reduce the rate of water loss from the leaf surface. This is upper epidermis and this is lower epidermis. Epidermis is in yellow color. It is helped to protect the leaf by iodine in preventing water loss and providing an extra layer between the outside and the inside of the leaf. This is the Palisade Mesophyll, which is in green color. This is used where the most of the photosynthesis occur in the leaf. The palisade cell contain a lot of chloroplasts to help them perform this photosynthesis. This Spongy Mesophyll, which is in blue color. This is site for gases exchange for photosynthesis and respiration. This is vascular bundle, which is in purple color. This is used for transporting critical substance of various parts of the plants. This is bundle sheet. It is used. The product of photosynthesis can be quickly transferred from the bundle sheet to the adjacent phloem tissue for transport to other parts of plants. This is stomate, which is in black color. It is used for regulate gas exchange between the plant and environment and control of water loss by changing the size of the stomatal pore.